G'day, welcome back. So, as you know on this channel, we're restoring a 1958 Morris Minor. I've been doing a lot of work with an angle grinder, cutting and grinding and that kind of stuff. I've got two different angle grinders, both from ToolPRO, Supercheap Auto, both part of their power tool range that uses a common 18-volt lithium-ion battery. So I thought I'd just kind of give you a bit of an overview, compare the two, show you which one's good for what, and go from there. Ta-da! So here we are. So start off, just mention the batteries. You see we got some 1.5 amp hour batteries. Don't use these on the grinders, way too small. You only get a couple of minutes of runtime with those. These are the ones you want, big 4 amp hour ones. These last pretty well. Yeah, 4 amp hour batteries, way to go on both of these grinders. Also got a range of accessories over here. Got wire brushes. ToolPRO also do the cutting discs. They come in a metal tin, 150mm cutting discs. Buy a box of 10, pretty well priced, and yeah, all the other accessories. So in the range we've got the smaller one, the brushed one, little baby brother, and also got the big brushless one. This is a bit of a beast, so I'll stick them on the bench, run through them and give you the lowdown. Here we are. Here's the smaller of the two. So this is a brushed motor, older, cheaper technology. This one's about half the price of the big brother, the brushless one. So this one spins at 8800 RPM, pretty fast. Takes 115mm discs. You've got the power switch on the side here that locks on if you need it to. You've got a quick release rotating safety shield, and the handle screws off, put it either side depending on what you're doing. Ergonomically it's a bit bulky in the hand, but certainly does the job. As I said, I recommend only using it with the 4 amp hour batteries, then you get a decent amount of life. One interesting feature, a bit of a safety feature, if we lock the power on, put a battery on, doesn't start up. You have to. So it spins up nice and quickly. Got a reasonable amount of power. Not too bad battery life with these batteries. As I say, it's a bit bulky in the hand, but it does the job. As you can see, I've got a flap disc on. This smaller one, pretty well suited to flap discs, a little bit of grinding, not too much in terms of cutting or using these wire wheels. That tends to kind of chew through the battery pretty well. But for general kind of cleaning up surfaces, ready for weld, or after you've welded, yeah, this works pretty well. Quite happy with this. As I said, it's half the price of the brushless one, so again, if cost is a factor, it'll do the job. Cheaper than the other one. It works. It's pretty good. In terms of this one here, this one is definitely a bit of a beast. As you can see, we've actually got a nice formed handle with a nice rubber grip. Same power switch setup, kinda. It locks on if you want it to. And again, if it's locked on, put a battery on, it doesn't start up. Wee safety feature there. We've got the same quick release guard, nice firm handle. In fact, the smaller one's just got a plastic handle. Bigger one's got a nice kind of rubber grip. So it's designed for actually using it for a length of time. A nice soft rubber handle here, nice soft handle here. Yeah, nicely weighted, sits well in your hand, and it kind of cranks up really nicely. So I've been really impressed with this one. Certainly with a 4 amp hour battery, cut down the whole side of the car on a single charge. So that's pretty awesome. And yeah, this one I use with the cutting discs. Use it with these wire wheels. Does a good job with these. It's got plenty of power. They reckon brushless versus brushed, this one's about 30% more efficient, so spins harder, battery lasts longer, does a great job. So this is 125mm You can put 125mm discs on there. Comes with a free warranty. Uses the same battery system as the rest of the ToolPRO power tools. And yeah, we're going to be using this lots. We've already used them lots. You've seen them in action. Check out the videos. Link them here, there and wherever. And yeah, ToolPRO grinders, choice of two. Both do a great job. So yeah, recommend them.